One thing nature teaches quietly is that growth does not always look dramatic. You see, the trees don't panic because growth is slow, rivers don't force their movement, seasons change in their own time. But human beings constantly pressure themselves to become successful instantly. Nature shows that meaningful growth is usually gradual, silent, repetitive, almost invisible at first. That's why many people quit too early. They expect visible results before enough time has passed. Some things grow slowly, not because they are weak, but because their strong foundation take time.